First delete forever and unstart. Then go to input and drag on button A pressed. Then go to basic and go to show number and drag temperature and put it inside the circle. And then drag pause and change 100 to 1 second, which is 1000. And then go to LED and choose this block. And then go to input and drag temperature and put it inside the first box. And change 0 to 50. Then go to variable and type current temperature. And this time we're going to type max temperature, which is maximum temperature. And then we're going to get set max temperature. And this time we're going to change it to current temperature. And then we're going to choose temperature and put it inside the circle. And then go to logic. And we're going to take a short if true then. And then we're going to get this block out. And then go to variable. And get current temperature. And we're going to change the sign. And then go to maximum temperature and put it inside another circle. And then go to set maximum temperature to current temperature. And then go to input and drag on button A pressed and change A to P. And then go to basic and drag show number. And then go to variable and drag maximum temperature. And then go to basic and we're going to drag pause and press 1 second, which is 1000 that we just said. And then we'll get this big block out from LED. And then go to variable and get max temperature and up to 50 and change 0 to 50. And then go to on button A pressed and change it to A and B. And then go to variable and get set max temperature to 0.